Melissa. I started a new role and we're using Google Workspace. I want to learn how to use it effectively in my day-to-day job.
I would be happy to help with that, Jamie. Most people know Gmail from Google Workspace, but there's so much more to offer. You may remember it was called G Suite. Now it's been renamed, and Google has a very powerful platform that I'm excited to show you the essentials. Google calls it a productivity solution designed to help you safely connect, create, and collaborate with tools like Gmail, Docs, Meet, and more. The most popular apps are Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Meet, Forms, and Chat. This is why we'll focus on these apps, and we'll touch on Gemini AI.
That's really exciting. I want to use more AI in my work.
Absolutely. Some people fear it, but it's really about automation and efficiency, and we can all use more of that. Now, the course is going to focus on a Google business account. So if someone is following along with a personal account, they might notice some differences.
That's good to know. Could you show me some of the apps?
I would love to. So we're going to start out in Google Chrome, which is really the best way to work with Google Workspace. And I'm signed in, and that's important because that allows me to get to everything that's mine. You can see that here. Next to it is the 9-dot app launcher. We can see Gmail in there, but Google is smart and they know that most people are coming in to just get to Gmail. So right in line with that, we can find Gmail and with one click be in the application.
That was really easy.
Yes, so there's no excuse for not working in email all day, right? Now, the next application that we want to work with is Google Docs. So if we go underneath the app launcher, we can find Docs, and that is a text document, and it allows you to create and collaborate on text docs. Next, I can bring up Google Sheets, and it is a number crunching application.
That looks a lot like Excel.
Absolutely, and I can use it for the same functionality with the convenience of a browser. So I can show you Google Calendar, which is a nice complement to your Gmail. And if we look in here, you can see that there's a place to keep track of all your appointments, and you can even have multiple calendars and color coding to keep it all straight.
That's really helpful. I also noticed that it opens a new tab with each application. Can you talk more about that?
Definitely. So the app launcher is launching that app, and it always does it in a new tab for you. And you can keep those open because it makes it really nice to bounce back and forth and collaborate, or you can close them out, whatever works best for you.
That's really good to know.